Hey there, fellow adventurers. If you're planning a trip to the dazzling city of Amsterdam, you might be wondering, how much money do I need for a day in Amsterdam? Well, buckle up because I've got some helpful tips to make sure you have an amazing time without breaking the bank. Tip 1. Transportation treasure hunt. First things first, let's talk about getting around. Amsterdam is like a cyclist's paradise, and renting a bike is not only a blast, but also a budget-friendly way to explore. A day bike rental can cost you around 10–15 euros. Alternatively, the city's public transportation system is efficient, and a day pass for trams and buses can save you some euros while getting you where you need to go. Tip 2. Picnic power. Eating out in Amsterdam can be delightful, but it can also take a toll on your wallet. Consider grabbing some fresh goodies from local markets like Albert Kuipmarkt or Noordermarkt and having a picnic in one of the picturesque parks. Not only will you enjoy delicious treats, but you'll also soak up the charming Amsterdam atmosphere. Tip 3. Museum Magic Amsterdam is bursting with fascinating museums, and a trip to the Rijksmuseum or Van Gogh Museum is a must. Here's a savvy tip. Many museums offer discounted tickets for students and early birds. Plus, some have free entry on specific days or times. Plan your museum visit strategically to save those precious euros for other adventures. Tip 4. Hidden gems for H2O lovers. The iconic canals of Amsterdam are a sight to behold, but taking a canal tour can be a tad pricey. Fear not, opt for a budget-friendly boat ride on the free ferry to Amsterdam North, where you can explore unique neighborhoods and relish stunning waterfront views without spending a dime. Tip 5. Thrifty treats. Amsterdam is renowned for its nightlife, and while hitting the bars is tempting, it can add up quickly. Save some cash by checking out brown cafes, cozy local pubs with a laid-back vibe. Not only will you get a taste of authentic Dutch social life, but you'll also find more budget-friendly drink options. So there you have it, intrepid travelers. With these money-saving tips, you're all set for an unforgettable day in Amsterdam. Now go out there and create some fantastic memories in this enchanting city. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel, where you will find a whole host of interesting videos about Amsterdam. Discover hotels, accommodations, and the best attractions in Amsterdam right now at amsterdamhoteldeals.nl by clicking the link in the description below.